Fun facts about me is I was previously a correctional officer and I love to quilt. Hi, my name is Jennifer and I'm a finance assistant. My day-to-day is creating invoices and sending them to customers and receiving deposits and checks and putting them into the system. I help customers with inputting their credit cards into the system so that they can pay their invoices and figuring out what their balance is. My most fulfilling part of my position is getting that final payment, knowing that the customer is satisfied with their project and everything went well. The most important thing that the customers experience with me is a great phone call and satisfaction. I have a family. I'm married to a husband. He's a veteran. And I have 2 little children. They're 3.5 and 2. We like to hang out and play outside in our little backyard and go to the park and then go see my parents. Thank you for watching this video, and if you have any questions regarding your foundation, please call Dalinghaus Construction or fill out the information online.